Hello my friends, today we have a video on, it's in the title, but I will say it once again. It is the spicy chicken noodle challenge, whatever you call it, pulled from the dark depths of 2014 YouTube content. So, we have our contestant here, Mr. Samyang Ramen. Let's go. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Right there. You wanna see a magic trick? Watch this. Whoa, no way! It started boiling. Oh, okay. It started boiling. That's crazy. Let's go throw in the noodles. By the way, the video revealing the college stuff is coming out soon. I just am too lazy to edit it, so this current video right here will probably be edited very poorly, just thrown together. Who knows? Maybe I'll try. But I'm still learning Sony Vegas. Let's get back to the video. Bro, who designed this? Oh my gosh. I'm literally so weak right now that I can't open a pack of ramen. This is so sad. While those noodles are cooking, allow me to give you a quick lesson in Korean. So as you may know, I am not Korean, but I can read Korean. So here we can see the letters. This one right here is pronounced ki. This one is pronounced m. This is pronounced ts. And if you combine that with this small letter over here, this Hangul, it's an H sound, like a ch. And this is E. So this is pronounced kimchi. Over here, this coincidentally is also pronounced k, and this is also ni, m, chi, i, kimchi. As you may know, it sounds like kimchi again. That's just a coincidence. If we go down here, I'll read this quickly so you guys can figure out. This is kimchi, 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 top 7 ki, chi. That's a long chi right there, but sometimes it gets more complex. It's just the nuances of the Korean language. Very powerful, it touches my heart. Back to the noodles. I hope you guys got that with sarcasm or something, because then it would be very awkward. Alright, the noodles look like they're about done. I'm gonna go ahead and taste test a little bit. No, they are not done. To all you people right now who are going, oh my gosh, you just put the noodle you ate back inside! Ligma. You just got roasted. Our next step is to drain the noodles, and we use a strainer here because we are the very Western here, the very Western cooking. I'm not sure if that's the intended use, but it looks good enough. Alright, so we are here with our noodles and our sauce. We have over here some kimchi. Let's open it up, dump it in. It's our dry seasoning packet. Looks very nice. And then we have our kimchi again. This joke is very dead by now. I've run it to the ground, ran it over, and then threw it into a garbage can. So let's go ahead and get this sauce packet open. And we're going to be pouring all the sauce in. Wait, it's literally black. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This is what happens when you run out of content, you know? You start doing stupid things like this. and this is gonna get like 2 views unless I put a clickbait title, which I probably will not. I fall into the dark side of YouTube. For those of you who watch this video, the future videos will be titles like, "Oh my gosh, I'm trying the spicy noodle challenge without water, almost died," or something like that, and then I'll be drinking milk instead of water. Yo, I'm a genius! Wait, that's such a good idea. Okay, no, that's fine. I'll continue with the plan of no liquids. This looks thoroughly mixed. Let's begin consumption. Actually, I'll time myself. I'll time my suffering. Okay. I'm gonna take off the glasses so I don't have to see what I'm eating. So far, it's not bad. It's just the lips are a little burning. This flour water is looking more tasty as the minutes go by. It's not even that spicy, it's just the taste. It gets so repetitive. One second, I'm gonna get some pepper. This thing tastes like garbage. Note, I did not drink water. I went to grab pepper so I could not taste the same thing. I'm literally can't even put up cap back on because of how disorienting this is. Throw me off a bridge, please. Oh, this tastes so bad. My forehead is sweating. No! It dropped. Let me clean that up. Okay. How much time was that? That was from 6:05 to 6:09. So about 4 minutes. That felt way longer than 4 minutes. My forehead is so wet. Wet, like cool whip. Oh, I don't have time to be making these garbage jokes. I want to drink this, but I can't. End me. All right. Here's the bowl. So yeah. Thank you for joining me in my quest for ever-degrading content, where I do stupid crap in order to gain more views, but I'll end up failing. I need to go monetize my videos. This is suffering. I need to get paid for this suffering. Whew. I'll probably just keep it to like those skippable ones, but who knows if YouTube lets me do that. So yeah, thanks for popping in. Thank you for popping in to Let's Cook with Roderick. Let's see what else. Stay subscribed if you're subscribed, that makes no sense at all. Subscribe if you want to watch something cool in the future. Once again, uploads are going to be more frequent in the future. Yavdullah.